Now, Mike, it's been a tough couple of months for small caps. Do you see this as this bad signal for the health of the overall stock market?
No, Fred, really I don't. I think that small cap had a great year last year and the year before and was pretty strong in the first quarter of this year. So we're not surprised by this at all, and I think it's healthy for the small cap market for stocks to take a little bit of a breather, but it's a little bit bifurcated. The companies that you're seeing sell off the most are more the speculative ones, the biotech companies, the high multiple technology companies and such. But those companies with good valuation support have done fine.
You mentioned, biotechs just now, and certainly we've seen the biotechs sell off after huge gains, along with other momentum plays. But you like this stock called LIGAND. Why so? What's driving that?
Well, we do like that one, and it's the only company related to biotech in our portfolio, but it's a profitable drug development and biotech company, and I want to repeat, profitable. Most of the biotech stocks that you've seen sell off pretty heavily are all companies that are dependent on the trials of one drug. It's a very binary event. Here, Ligand has 7 drugs that they're getting royalties on today, and they're working with the biggest drug companies, Amgen, Pfizer, Novartis. They also have 90 drugs in the pipeline in various phases, and they have a very low cost overhead model. So we feel we've got a profitable company with good visibility and royalty streams, and we've got 90 different shots on goal.
Another stock you hold is COSTAR Group. That's a real estate database company. But aren't you concerned about the prospects for rising interest rates and how that might impact your stock, especially on the commercial front?
Well, it's a good point, and it could hurt the valuations on some real estate companies, but COSTAR is a very important piece of any commercial real estate broker's equipment that he uses. You can consider it's like the Reuters of the real estate industry, but basically every commercial broker has a COSTAR system because it basically gives them all of the information in the database on all buildings across the country. They've recently, why we're excited about it, they recently bought a company called Apartments.com that now gets them into the residential side of the business where they can sell the service to landlords and owners of buildings.